Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this one has been a long time coming. Today I'm going to be talking about a crypto mining simulator website where you can virtually mine real crypto for free. Here we're at the home page, or also known as the dashboard. As you can see, I'm level 25 right now. I just got there, so I'm gonna need a lot of experience to get to 26. Every time you level up, your bonus power is going to go up. Right now, my power bonus is at 7.7%. Leveling up your account requires experience, and you can earn experience by doing Faucet, pay-to-click ads, Offerwalls, short links, and buy or gift items from the store. First, we're gonna hop over to pay-to-click ads. If you scroll down here, right next to the pool, you can see pay-to-click ads available. Just a heads up on the pay-to-click ads, every one that I've done so far has only given 5 experience, so not too much. And then the payout in blocks is always random. Sometimes you'll even get a reward in Litecoin or another crypto instead of blocks. You never know what you're gonna get. We're gonna hop over here to equipment health. Right now I'm at 100% health, but you will need to repair your equipment every time it drops below 80% to prevent your mining power from going down. This is their way of getting visitors to come back and log into their site daily. However, I can't really complain because repairing your equipment is free. Now we're gonna hop down here and look at mining power. This is my mining power, and I can also visit my inventory here, which will show me all of my miners, my parts, my equipment, my space, and my energy. Everything else you're seeing here is different crypto that you can mine on this site. I'm only mining block right now, however, I'm getting these other crypto from my mining pool as a gift reward. So the next thing you need to know is, how do you join a pool? If we scroll down here a little bit more, you can see my pool. I'm in the Adams family, and we're mining block. This is the symbol, and they have a fee of 3%. So they take 3% of everything that I'm mining out of the pool, which isn't bad at all. I'm not complaining about it. We're gonna go to the pool list, and this is going to show us a list of pools that we can join. As you can see, there are different pool types. This one is mining Matic instead of block, and they only charge a 1% fee instead of 3%. When you join a pool, every 30 minutes, the block will be released for each coin or token, and the pool of each coin or token will fight to get that reward between their members. The amount that you earn will depend on your contribution in that pool, aka your mining power. Pools allow you to team up with other miners to share the rewards based on everyone's contribution. This will increase your chances of finding blocks and earning rewards. This is my pool here, and we're going to click on the pool list to see all the other ones available, and you can see the power is much higher than the power in this one, and that's why the fee percent is higher as well. Because the power is higher, they're also giving out more gifts. So over 1,000 gifts here, whereas the Matic pool, which only has a fee of 1%, only has 156 gifts. Here is a Doge mining pool, and one for Tron, one for Cardano as well. So there are a lot of different ones available for you to join. And each one of these are also going to give you gifts. So you're going to get crypto that you're not even necessarily mining. We're going to go back to the dashboard. So one weird thing I've noticed is they recently introduced USDT to the website, and I've been on the community chat. No one really seems to know why they introduced this, so I'm sure we're in for a new surprise with an update in the future. Okay, now I want to cover Offerwalls really quick. This is another great way to earn crypto. These can vary from taking surveys and watching videos to playing games and signing up for trials, which I haven't done yet. There are a wide variety of Offerwalls available, and each one has its own set of rules and rewards. Some Offerwalls can take a while to credit your account with rewards, so keep that in mind and be patient. So this requires a slightly annoying but simple CAPTCHA, and the rewards vary from 0.00072 blocks to up to 8 mining tokens and random material parts. So this is a great way for you to get parts to craft a new miner. And if you're wondering how often you can refresh the faucet, well, I just refreshed it, and this is how long I have to wait. So it's not something you can do every 5 minutes. You actually have to wait a little bit to do it again. So speaking of mining tokens, we're gonna hop down here to boxes, and I'm gonna tell you what those mining tokens are used for. So we have 4 boxes here. One is the legendary miner box. We have a referral box, which takes a different type of token than this. And then over here, this is a different token as well. You can see there are 3 different types of tokens. This is a special miner box. And then we have a random box. So what are the boxes about? Well, with 1500 mining tokens, you can open a legendary miner box, and we can view the rewards. These are different types of miners with different mining power. So we're going to close here. And the referral box is 5 referral tokens, and you can get this by getting referrals. If you get any referrals from sharing your links, you'll earn 15% of all mined earnings from your referrals, and 10% of all deposits, and 1 token for each level that your referral levels up after level 15. That's actually really dope considering the box prizes. We're going to view the rewards, and as you can see, this is a little bit nicer than the legendary miner box. These are some pretty good miners. We're going to hop over here to the random box, and this costs 3,000 mining tokens. We'll view the rewards, and there are some really awesome miners in this box right here. The Christmas miner is great. I don't think it takes up any space. So we're going to close and then hop on to the next one. Okay, tasks. I don't want to forget about that. So we're going to hop over to here. Right now we're looking at a long list of tasks, and some of these are daily tasks, some of these are weekly, and if you keep scrolling down here, some of these are even monthly. And so it'll give you an entire month to complete this task, and if you do, some of these rewards are pretty hefty. Over 1 block here, 1 block, 3 block, 5 block, and here we have even 7 blocks. But then we have the smaller stuff here on the top for the daily tasks, and some of these are really easy. You only have to clean the faucet 5 times, and then you'll get a little bit of a block reward here. And then the 50 pay-to-click ads, that's pretty simple too. You can get that relatively easy. Next, I would like to walk you through the inventory. So we're gonna click on our profile up here on the left, and then go all the way down to inventory. The inventory will allow you to equip or unequip your miners, convert them to cards, upgrade, which will make your miners stronger, but it does cost blocks to do so, or recycle, which I don't recommend. Here is a list of all the miners that I own. So if we scroll down, you can see that some of these miners are at level 10, and 6, and 4, 3, they all vary at different levels. Here at the store, you can buy items. However, I would recommend checking out those items at the market first because you may be able to get them a lot cheaper. What is unique about the store, however, is you can also gift items. If you click on gift, you can type in a friend's username and send them a gift. Now that we're at the marketplace, you can buy and sell unwanted materials, miners, power generators, and extra space extensions here. You can sort by the item type, item, and what type of crypto you'd like to exchange. Now we're going to get into a really cool feature, which is crafting. This allows players to forge new miners out of extra materials that they have. Each miner has its own list of requirements and will be forged with its own unique stats. I've noticed that while crafting, my miners were all slightly stronger or weaker than the other, even though they were all the same mining type. If you look over here to the right, crafting does cost blocks as well, and it can be pretty pricey. So we're going to scroll down actually, and I'm going to show you how each one of these miners really varies. This one's pushing out 48 to 78, and it really just is randomly generated when you craft it. It could be anywhere in between. This is the energy amount. The amount of parts needed is all different. There are different types of parts needed as well. And they also require a different amount of spaces. So some of these bigger miners here, they require a lot of energy and a lot of space. So right over here next to your mining pool and your pay-to-click ads is going to be your All Actions tab. And this is going to show you everything you've been earning through mining, faucets, pay-to-clicks, Offerwalls, everything combined. Your history is going to be right here, and you can scroll down and look for quite a ways if you want to see where you've been earning extra crypto. Another thing I'd like to go over is this tab right here. This is going to come in really handy if you're looking for any answers that you may have questions for on the site. They have admins that pay pretty close attention to the site and are relatively quick when answering questions. This is going to help keep you in the loop with updates, and there is also a community of users who have a lot of experience on the site and who have been using it for a while, and they're very helpful if you have any questions. All right, and last but not least, we're going to visit the My Cards page. if you click on this and then scroll down right above inventory, you can click on my cards, and that will lead you to this where we have a list of cards that give us bonus power. The only one we own right now is the Poor Miner card, and that's giving us an extra 0.2% bonus power. I can make these. Let me see if I have enough available. I'm probably going to make this one right here, the Small Miner G1 card. So if we go to inventory, I'm going to find a level 1 small G1 miner. I don't want to turn these into cards because I've already upgraded them to level 4, level 6. So I'm going to look for one that I have that is level 1. Here we go. So we've got one right here. We're going to unequip that. And we're going to scroll down to it. And now we're going to click on Convert to Card. We're going to confirm. And so now we're going to go back to My Cards. And now you can see we're getting a 0.2% bonus power from this. And we have obtained the card. I will be doing updates on my profile on MiningBlocks in the future. I hope this video helps a lot. And if you're thinking about making a profile and getting started, be sure to use my link in the description box below. It'll really help the channel out a lot. And until next time, save that money.